Moving to postulate 4, children. When we are talking about an atom like this AB2, the central atom will always behave in such a manner that the valence electrons means electrons present in the outermost shell of the atom, the valence electrons will behave like a sphere around the molecule. It will behave like a sphere around the molecule, where the electrons in the valence shell will localize or adjust themselves in such a manner that they are maximum distance apart to avoid repulsion between themselves. Maximum distance apart. So that is postulate number 4. We come to postulate number 5. For this theory, whenever you have a single electron pair, it will be treated as a single bond. When you have a double electron pair, it will be treated as a double bond. When you have a triple electron pair, it will be treated as a triple bond. A single electron pair will be treated as a single bond. Double or triple bonds will be treated as a super single pair or single super pair. Double or triple bond treated as single super pair. The sixth and the most important postulate of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory is that, children, when in a molecule you have lone pair of electrons, then the repulsion between two lone pair of electrons is maximum, followed by repulsion between lone pair and bond pair of molecules of electrons, followed by bond pair and bond pair of electrons. Okay, which means that if you have a molecule like water, most of us do not know that a structure of water is like this, where there are two lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom. So it says that the repulsion between these two lone pairs maximum, the repulsion between this lone pair and bond pair is less than that, the repulsion between these two bond pairs is the least. These are the 6 postulates of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Please remember, when you are told to write down the postulates of VSEPR theory, this last point should be there. It should be there in your answer. Okay.